Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get of 300 plus value free CompTIA SecAI plus beta certification. So the competitor is looking for the qualified professional to participate in the beta testing for its new cybersecurity certification if you are eligible and successful pass the beta exam. So exam code is CY1-001. You will be received the brand new competitor SEC AI Plus certification completely free of charge. So competitor SEC AI Plus beta exams registration link is this. So open this link. So go through this. So competitor SecAI plus beta exam. This is looking for the qualified individual to help develop the brand new cybersecurity related certification by the participating in the beta exam. So input from the cybersecurity professional working in the field is crucial to or our ability to develop relevant and up-to-date exam content validating the knowledge and skill required to understand important artificial intelligence. So AI included with that. So concepts secure AI and system using the various technology controls leverage AI of enhanced corporate security posture while automating security tasks and understand how governance, risk and compliance GRC impact AI technology on the global scale. So if you are qualified, take and pass the beta exam. The exam code is CY1-001. You will earn the new competitive SEC AI plus certification at no cost. So this is the free of the cost. So please note exam result will be available until the new SecAI plus exam code CY0001 exam launches in spring 2026. So the target audience for the new certification launches the following individuals. So this a total 3 to 4 years IT experience in the approximately 2 years in the cybersecurity role and with the knowledge and participating experience of the AI and AI enabled cybersecurity tool. So job role will be this. So all the cybersecurity administrator, analyst, architect, engineer, specialist, and penetrator tester. So find out the quality. Qualify, please provide the honest answer of this or the way. So this is the assessment question. You have to give this question's answer. And the beta exam of the 17 October 2025 and beta exam period end on November 2025. So selected next page. So go with the assessment. Click that. So this is the assessment. Your input to help the competitor develop and relevant to up-to-date exam content. So click on next. So which of the following best describe your job role or function? Just I'm going through the cybersecurity architect and the hands-on cybersecurity related job experience 3 to 4. Please rate your level of particular experience on have had on the AI enabled cybersecurity tools within the past. I'm advanced beginner. So are you age of 18 years old? Yes. So click on next. About the competitor SecAI plus beta exam process. So step 1, competitor will select the mix of the candidate among those participating in the initial assessment questionnaire. So step 2, selected candidate will officially take the competitor SecAI beta exam. First in titles and registering for the exam at the Pearson View Testing Center or online. Step 3. At the scheduled time, candidate will take the exam online or travel to their assigned Pearson testing center, sit for the exam, and this will be the live exam. Competitor will want so candidate to do their best. Step 4. If you qualify to take and pass the competitor SEC AI plus beta exam code will be CY1001 by November 2025 25 you will be earn the new CompTIA SecAI plus certification at no cost. Okay. If you pass this one, then you will earn the CompTIA SecAI plus certification without cost. So this is the launches on the spring on 2026. So based on the above CompTIA Sec beta exam, you are interested in being considered for the participation? Yes. So please acknowledge for the following statement. If you selected the would be first time I'm taking the CompTIA Sec beta exam, whether the other things are there. So okay. So I acknowledge my name, job title. I'm putting my job title, company, and city, email address. So LinkedIn URL. I'm going to give my LinkedIn URL. So now submit. So thank you for completing our form. Your response is very important to us. If you will qualify for the beta exam, we will notify in the 2 3 business days with the detailed instruction on the how to register. So we have done this one. So CompTIA is exam, and this is the beta exam, and this is the value is dollar 300 plus value, and this is a free for now. And assessment we have given this one. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process on in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.